Welkom.
Ja, concentratie. We kunnen lezen alles op.
You know East Turkestan, yes? Yeah, East Turkestan. October 1949, occupied by China. Then the name changed to Xinjiang. Before it's East Turkestan, but now it's Xinjiang. Xinjiang is a colonial name.
Relocation.
Yes. 1949, East Turkestan is occupied by China. And the name changed to Xinjiang. Since Chinese government discrimination more than 3 million, including university professor, scholars, journalists, artists, even businessmen. All sent to so-called political education camp. Too much people. Look at this also. Promet Uyghurs. Yes. And look at this different.